everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So we are going to do a little touch up on our hair because I got a couple errands to run, and we'll put a little bit of makeup on. Just chit chat. So, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to not look at you. So I just updated my insulin pump for like a new technology that gives me insulin if I'm going very high on its own. I don't have to intervene, and it turns it off when I'm going low, which is fabulous because I can go low and not feel it until I'm in my about 50 range, and at 50 you're way too low. So yeah, I did that. It's going to take me a minute to get used to it, but it'll be okay. All right, so I'm just going to put a touch of makeup on. A touch. Not a lot. I say that. We'll have a full damn face of makeup. So in the mail yesterday came my Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes palette. And then I also got the Turn Up the Light in Light from Too Faced as well. So let me show you what they look like. That is the highlight palette. And let's open up this palette here. The packaging is cardboard. I was hoping for something a little bit more from Too Faced, but this is what it looks like on the inside. So we'll probably do a look with these two things. But first, we're going to have to do something to cover up on my blemishes and all that. I'm just going to go into the Hope in the Jar Tinted Moisturizer. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Horrible cough today. Horrible, I tell you. Alright. My mirror's gotten shifted way too far over. I thought I dropped this crap on my keyboard. Which would be hard to do considering actually, I don't think I'm going to put any more on. I'm just not up for it today. Today's probably the first day I've been feeling good. You'll hear in some videos that are coming later that I've been pretty sick, and the doctors are like, it's a virus, but it's really attacking my white blood cells. So that is why I'm at home and I'm able to film. Not that I'm taking advantage of that time at all. Right? Man. I got a few packages to return. I bought several dresses from this new company that I was not aware of. I can't remember the name of it. It's like Joy something. Oh, yeah. And the beautiful from the bottom down, but the waist up, it's like if you don't have a chest, it's perfect for you. That's all. I mean, there's no other way to say it. It's absolutely perfect for you at that point. I am gonna go into my Cheeky Volume 1 mix plate that Erica sent me. I am loving it, Erica. Thank you very much. I'm just going to do the blush and the bronzer, though, because we's going to use the Too Faced thing. For our highlighter. Sorry, I'm filming on my crappy webcam on my computer, but I wanted to do this. Well, I was going to do it anyway. I got to get ready. And I thought, oh, I should go ahead and film this. This would be a good little... Yeah, so I was watching videos last night, and everybody's like, I'm back into wearing blush. I don't like blush. I didn't like blush. I'm back into... And you know what? I wasn't wearing blush either, and I was like, I really do like it. I just don't know what the heck I'm doing. Purple hair. I know. I know, guys. Alright, let's put some of this on. I'm gonna probably go with the Glow. That's one right there. Glow. I want you to glow. Glow, glow, glow. Of course, I can't find my glow brush. Oh, yeah, Too Faced. Oh, my. That's a glow. He did a good job with glowing me out. Wowza. Pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that. Okay, so now I'm going to do my brows real quick. And then she said, we can do something better than that. Just ignore me. The drugs have me out of it a little bit. So, you would not believe this, this stack of palettes I have over here to film with. Oh my god. OMG. Anyways, so I have to take all these dresses back. Back to what I was telling you. And sometimes I won't take them back. I'll be like, I'll get into them later. Blah, blah, blah. It's $300 worth of dresses. I'm taking it back. And I have to mail a couple packages because I'm a loser and I hadn't done it yet. So I've got something for a couple of people. My eyebrows look like I'm angry. I don't have no idea what I did with my eyebrows. I can't see a licking thing. I don't have my contacts in. Oh well. Oh well, brows. You're just going to have to make it to the post office and the grocery store. It's as far as you got to go. Alright, so into this new palette. The Born This Way palette. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go. I think I may do this dark stuff over here. Maybe. Maybe, baby, maybe, baby. Sorry. I know you guys don't want to hear all that crap. Of course, it does come with a card with some looks in it that I'm sure yeah. It's like a little look card. I don't know. Well, Dang, little girl, aren't you being a little snot today? I'm sorry, I don't mean to be a snot. I just know what I like and what I don't like. Okay, we're gonna get some brushes out and we're gonna clean them up real quick. Oh, baby, baby. Okay, this is a Morphe. Oh, I think it's a 227. I can't see. What am I talking about? I don't know. Oh my. Oh my. Wow. Okay, Too Faced, you go. Wow. So I'm using this shade right here, and I was making it as like a transition. What the heck was I thinking? Maybe not. My goodness. Very, very pigmented. And just blending fabulously. Fabulous. It's absolutely fabulous. Wow. Really, really, really am liking that. Wish I didn't have to turn my head to you. And then I'm going to go in with this darker shade right here. Just kind of dab that onto my lid. Ooh. This, no kidding, is like effortless. It's just doing what it's supposed to do. Oh my God. Where have you been? Silly Too Faced. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with this shimmer because I don't want to have it too dark. And you know, I always use my fingers. I've been trying to use brushes, but my fingers is just as good as a brush. Or at least I think so. Just, wow. Wow. What is going on with this place? It's unbelievable. All right, we're going to go in with that shade I used for a transition. Put it under our eye. You know me, the smokier the better. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over this thing. And it has, if you want a nude look, it has everything in it. It's amazing. I'm not going to go all the way to this white here. I'm going to use this shade right here on my inner corner, knowing it's brighter than what's in there now. Or what's on my eyes now. Yeah, that's better. Better. It's actually got a pinkish hue, but I'm not mad at it at all. All right. let's just put on a little bit of mascara and let's be done with this, girls. Hey, has anybody heard from Sean? I need to reach out to him. I just haven't been on, so I don't know what's going on with him. My cherry pie. It's really not how that song goes either, but I'm making it up. Yeah, buddy. Being very careful with my mascara because I have no glasses on. And with my luck, I'll poke myself in the eye. All right, everybody. That is it. That is definitely it. So, what do you think? I think it turned out beautiful. I mean, beautiful. Worth every penny for the palette. And even the highlighter. Worth every penny. We'll run out and get it because I bet you it sells out fast. If you can't find it in the stores, like, I know HSN has it and QVC has it. Maybe just HSN because I ordered it off of HSN and it was here in 2 days. All right, gals. Love you so much. I'll see you next time. Mwah.